Hi friends, my name is Pooja Khanna and I got to know about this course of HR journalist profile which is being conducted at Appin Technologies Noida Center through one of my friend who has done the course from here. This course has been a biggest opportunity for me in my whole life because I did not know that I have so much of skills that I can produce in HR. My skills were sharpened. The training was excellent. You can say the people here are so supportive. You can come anytime. You can ask any kind of queries. About the trainer, I've got no words to say about my trainer. She is excellent. She's very supportive. She has not only helped me in grooming up only in professional front, but also in personal front. I'm really excited. The opportunities now I'm getting. I was sitting idle for 5 months after I have just left my last job, but now I wanted to get into corporates, and HR was one of my major forte, and in fact training. Now people are approaching me from everywhere across the globe to just get the training in HR and to understand the HR scenarios. They also wanted me to conduct HR audits in different companies and go to different places like Ahmedabad or Chennai or Hyderabad, and they wanted me to do the HR audits for them to find out if their HR systems are in place or not, if the people are doing the HR practices in a right manner or not. Trust me guys, this is an absolutely brilliant institute. I do recommend all my friends to come and be a part of Appin Technology Noida Center, because I'm not sure about the other centers, but yes, this is the best one, and this is the best of the best of all. Honestly, because I can say that because I was nothing in HR, and today I've got everything. I've got knowledge, I've got skills, I've got attitude, I've got confidence to speak to people, to explain them what I've learned, how things work in HR, even show them the models, even show them the information I have got. So they don't believe me only by words, they believe me with the way I actually express them. Just for example, a small example, a quick one, like MRF, people were not aware of how the recruitment process starts, and I told them yesterday, and I was like, only the yesterday's opportunity was that I'm traveling to Ahmedabad next week for doing an HR audit, which is like an all of a sudden opportunity. Honestly guys, you should come and join this app, HR journalist profile, only from Appin Noida Technologies, because the staff is brilliant, the teacher is brilliant, and people around are brilliant. Everything is brilliant. There's nothing I can say that this gone wrong. I have changed my career, I've changed my life, and it only happened because I've joined this course. So guys, please do come and join this course, because this is really nice, and I'm not saying by words. Once you join it, you'll come to know why I'm saying that. Thank you. I'm sure you'll like it. I have just recently been placed as a senior training manager and an HR manager who will be, it's a complete designation of a training and development manager in Felicity Group, which is in Nehru Place. It is a real estate firm. I had no knowledge in ABCD of real estate, but just looking at the skills I had from HR and the training perspective, which also was a part of the HR training course, was being delivered to me by our faculty. This opportunity has just come to me out of a blue, so I'm on cloud 9 for that. I cannot describe that in words, that opportunities are coming to me which I have never thought in my life. So guys, just believe one thing, that if you have dreams, come to join this course and see where your dreams takes you.